let me save you months, maybe even years of wasted effort. Because a lot of people don't fail on YouTube because they're lazy, they fail because they picked the wrong niche. And the scary part? Some of these niches look like the easiest money ever. Low effort, fast content, quick uploads. But behind the scenes, they either don't grow, don't pay, or get shut down completely. So before you post your first video, I need you to see this. Because the niche you choose today will decide whether your channel grows or dies quietly. Let's get into it. Let's start with one that fools a lot of people. Comedy. Sounds easy, right? Just grab some clips, add funny edits. But here's the truth nobody tells you. People don't laugh at content. They laugh at people. Comedy is built on personality, timing, expression, and energy. And when your channel is faceless, all of that disappears. Now you're competing with creators who have facial expressions, voice tone, real presence. And you're trying to be funny with text and background clips? That's an uphill battle. Yes, there are exceptions, but for most beginners, this niche is a slow, frustrating grind with very little payoff. 2. Compilation videos. This one looks like a cheat code. Just compile clips, upload, and get views, right? But here's what actually happens. You spend hours collecting clips, editing them together, uploading consistently. Then one day, boom, copyright claim. Now the money from your video, gone. Sometimes the entire video gets blocked, and even worse, most compilation channels don't qualify for monetization in the first place. Because YouTube asks one question. What did you add? If the answer is not much, you're not getting paid. So now you've built a channel that you don't even own. 3. Faceless travel content. This one used to work, but not anymore. There was a time when people watched top 10 places to visit in Dubai. But now, people want experience. They want real moments, real reaction, real people. They want to feel like they're there, and that's hard to do with stock footage and AI voiceovers, especially because thousands of channels are doing the exact same thing. So your videos don't stand out. Instead, they blend in. And when that happens, YouTube has no reason to push your content. Niche number 4, kids content. This one is dangerous in a different way. It actually gets views. A lot of views, but here's the catch. The money is terrible. Due to regulations around kids content, ads are heavily restricted. That means lower CPM, limited targeting, and less revenue overall. So even if your video hits 100,000 views, you might earn less than someone with 10,000 views in another niche. More effort, more views, but less money. That's a trap. Number 5. AI videos using real people's likeness. Now this one can get your entire channel wiped out. Using AI to recreate celebrities, influencers, and public figures might seem smart, but it's risky. YouTube is getting stricter with AI content. If your video misleads people into thinking it's a real person or uses someone's identity without proper context, you can get flagged, or worse, banned. So instead of building a long-term channel, you're building something that can disappear overnight. Which brings me to number 6. Music and lyric videos. Let me be very clear here. If you're uploading copyrighted music, you are not making money from it. It doesn't matter how many views you get. That revenue goes straight to the artist and the record label, not you. And yes, even lyric videos fall into this, because you didn't create the song. So what ends up happening is you building a channel that looks successful but pays you nothing. Niche number 7, cooking and recipes, faceless video. This one is not impossible, but it's brutal. Because the effort is insane. Think about it. Filming setup, lighting, ingredients, shooting multiple angles, and editing everything clean. One video can take 15 to 20 hours. Now imagine trying to stay consistent with that. Most people burn out before they even grow. And without consistency, you're not going anywhere. Number 8, low effort meditation channels. You've seen these ones. Soft music, nature clips, looped visuals. It looks peaceful, but here's what YouTube sees. Repetitive content. If your videos don't add originality, voice, structure, or uniqueness, you risk getting demonetized. Because from YouTube's perspective, you're uploading the same thing over and over again, and that's not valuable. Lastly, mental health and therapy faceless videos. This one requires honesty. You can't fake this niche. Because people are coming to your content for guidance, clarity, help, and if your content is generic or inaccurate, people won't trust you. And without trust, this niche doesn't grow. Also, YouTube is strict with sensitive topics, so misinformation can get your content flagged. Because this isn't just content, it's responsibility. Let me tell you something most people won't say. Not every niche is meant to make money. Some grow fast, but don't pay. Some pay well, but are hard to grow. So the goal isn't just to pick a niche. It's to pick a niche that can grow, monetize, and can last at the same time. So before you start your channel, ask yourself this one question. Am I building something that will still work in 6 months? If the answer is no, you're setting yourself up to restart all over again. Now here's the good news. There are niches right now that are not just easier to grow, they're easier to monetize, and they're perfect for faceless channels. And once you land on the right one, everything changes. Growth becomes faster, content becomes easier, and results actually start making sense. So instead of guessing, I've already broken down some of those niches in another video on the channel. If you're serious about starting, that's probably the next thing you should watch. I'll see you in the next video.